What if the loudest sound in the universe came from a black hole? Scientists discovered that a supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy NGC 1275 created an enormous sound wave that traveled through space for hundreds of thousands of light years. The shock wave was so powerful that it produced a note equivalent to a B flat. But here's the crazy part. It's 57 octaves lower than middle C, far below what humans can hear. Even though space is mostly silent, this cosmic event is considered the loudest sound ever detected in the universe, proving that the universe can be far more dramatic than we imagine.